Okay, guys, welcome back. Now we're putting on our detective hats because we've got a masked singer taking the stage to perform a Christmas carol. And the challenge is on us to guess who is behind the mask. Okay, I just don't know how I feel about it, but all right. Because, well, let's hear the singer.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of the dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till He appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, a weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angels' voices. Oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine, oh, night, oh, night divine.
Woo! Encore! Do you have another one for us, Mask Singer? No, you don't have no more for us? Oh, he has one more. Okay, all right.
All right, one more.
Should we try? Should we try? Okay. Chairman Joseph Matalon.
That's your guess?
That's my guess. Our chairman, Joseph Matalon.
Chairman? Okay.
Okay.
Let me see you come
That's
here.
my guess. He can't go over there. You don't hear? He can't go over there.
I'm not going.
I have another guess.
No, tell him.
Okay.
Is the person in media?
No, just this.
Oh, I can't ask no questions? Turn back your face, let me see you.
He looks just like on a normal day. That's exactly how he looks.
My guess is Anthony Miller.
Could never, unless you do not know Mr. Miller, okay?
I'm joking, but I don't know who else to guess.
Okay, I have another guess. Ransford Ricketts. Okay, sorry, I thought it was Ransford. Okay, he started his career here at RJR. Started. A lot has started here at RJR, though.
He's a renowned sports commentator.
Sports commentator?
Neville Bell.
Nev don't sing like that. You know, so Nev's have a different voice than that, man. Hold on. Sports commentator. And he can sing as a sports commentator. He what this now? He covered five Olympics. Well, sir, my respect for you has risen. That's not Bruce.
I was gonna guess Bruce.
That's not Bruce. That's not Bruce James.
No, it's not Bruce. Jermaine?
It's not Jermaine. That's not Jermaine.
No, it's not.
Who?
So is it?
Okay, can we hear another song, please, from the Masked Singer? Okay, Masked Singer, let's hear your voice again. Watch the high notes, all right? It's kind of tricky up there.
Oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your touch. lonely time. And time goes by so slowly, and the time can do so much. Are you still mine? I need your love. I need your love. Godspeed your love to me. Lonely rivers flow to the sea, to the sea, to the open arms of the sea. Yeah. Lonely riverside, wait for me, wait for me. I'll be coming home, wait for me. And oh, my love, my darling, I've hungered for your touch. A long, lonely time. And time goes by so slowly, and time can do so much. Are you still mine? I need your love.
Is it Simon Rockhill?
I need your love. Godspeed your love to me.
All right, get into the unveiling for us. Ready? Who is this?
Listen, I thought about it, you know. I did. Look at you. I didn't even know you could sing like that. Oh my gosh, that was lovely. You've been sitting on your voice for so long.
I always sing. I like singing.
Oh my God.
Well, under a mask, clearly.
During summers, used to come with the singing sports guy stuff.
Oh my God.
man.
Oh my gosh.
wow.
That's always singing.
All right.
Amazing, man.
Go to Mars, South Park.
You know, you did so good though.
I know. But
Yeah.
Are you taking
It was
bookings for Christmas?
No.
Okay.
Just for fun. Well,
Blaming on
guys.
everything, and it just kind of stifled me.
Oh, you did so
Yes.
good though.
I understood the project, so it's okay.
You did so good, Ola. You did
Thank
so
you,
good.
thank you so
Oh my
much.
gosh.
Thank you to our talented masked singer. Thank you so much for bringing some holiday magic to get the stage going and flowing. You
Can
were
you please,
awesome.
Lance, tell them where they can find you online, please?
Online?
Yes, you know they're online, you're on
I
Instagram.
have a YouTube page.
Hey, hello.
Lance Voice and Motion.
There
Lance
we
Whittaker,
go,
Voice and
okay?
Motion,
Mr.
yeah.
Lance Whittaker, voice and motion, as you
Yeah.
can see. All right, guys,
Lance
book him
Whittaker.
now.
Racing on the page though.
No, you.
Mostly horse. I like to sing it, I do, you know.
Yeah.
I like to sing it.
You're amazing.
All
I didn't know
right,
you could
well,
sing like that. That's good, Lance.
Lance, right? He brought the magic today, guys. But guess what? We're gonna take a break. Stay with us. Run it, DJ Ian. Give a nice track to take us.
You have to find
into
by the song
break.
there right
Yeah, but
now,
you have to go find it back.
You have to go find the
because
song
Lance
right
just
now.
mashed up the place today.
Okay? No, sir. I'm like, what makes up? No, but Lance don't sing. I've never seen Lance sing before. I said, no, can't be Lance with it. Oh my gosh.